Too much cheese. I think I'm gonna have a cheese baby.
We are not a pack of wild animals.
These two are animals.
Fire in the hole!
I'm gonna kill you!
This material has a high number of brick-like properties. Okay, cut it out. Who is that? Okay, how about this one?